In a small town, there lived a 10-year-old boy named Adam. Adam loved drawing more than anything. He was always drawing animals, cars, and strange things in his notebook. One day, while walking home from school, Adam noticed a strange golden pencil lying on the side of the road. The pencil didn't look ordinary. It was glowing softly. Adam picked it up and thought, maybe someone dropped it, but it looks so beautiful. He took the pencil home. When he reached home, Adam opened his notebook and, just for fun, drew a pizza. As soon as he finished the drawing, suddenly, the notebook glowed for a moment, and the next second, a real pizza appeared on the table. Adam's eyes widened in shock. How is that possible? Then he drew a small dog. A few seconds later, a cute little dog was standing right in front of him, wagging its tail. At that moment, Adam realized something amazing. The pencil was magical. Now Adam was very excited. Every day he started drawing new things. A bicycle, a burger, a football, and every single thing he drew became real. But Adam didn't realize one thing. This magic could also be dangerous. One evening, Adam was sitting in his room drawing a monster. He was just doing it for fun. He drew a huge, scary monster with sharp teeth, big eyes, and long claws. As soon as he finished the drawing, the room suddenly became dark. The ground began to shake, and in the very next moment, the monster came to life and stood inside his room. The monster let out a loud roar. Adam was terrified. The monster rushed out of the room and started running through the streets. People screamed and ran in fear. He quickly ran in front of the monster and started drawing a big circle on the ground with his magic pencil. The monster was angrily running straight toward him. Adam hurried to finish the circle. The circle on the ground turned into a deep well. The monster, running at full speed, fell straight into the deep well. It kept falling deeper and deeper until it disappeared forever. From that day on, Adam decided to use the magic pencil only for good and helpful things.